Nibushi Shanghang. Ahoy, ahoy. Oh. Ha. That's better. Just been outside to the workshop. Obviously it's a little bit cold out. And today we're going to do a one-day acoustic guitar kit build. Was that trolling you with the title? Probably. Sorry.
Other people do it.
But there is still a bit of a challenge here. The kit has arrived. It was a present from somebody for Christmas. Thank you very much. And this is a video showing the build of it very quickly in one day.
How on earth can you do an acoustic kit build in one day? Is it one of these rubbish kits that's basically glue the neck on and that's it? No?
There's around 150 pieces to be put together here. But it's still going to be difficult for me.
Why is that? If it's only a simple thing and you're sure you can do it in a day, how on earth is it simple but also difficult?
This is the kit. A Japanese nano block micro-sized acoustic guitar. 150 pieces, level 2 out of 5. You think, oh, you're just putting Lego together. Well, if you have a look at this photo, the pieces are a lot smaller. And these are my fingers. Anyway, let's get going. Well, here we are on the one-day build of an acoustic guitar, nano blocks, with my little fingers and my inside workshop, or rather finishing station. Yes, it's messy, there are 3 jobs on at the same time, but I thought this would be fun to do. And a second camera, if I can work out how to get it to work. Probably more importantly, Alexa, play the beta band. Let's go. Okay. Doesn't really look like a guitar, does it? Loads of bits left. None of this is FSC.